हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू मिस्टर वैभव भोसले प्रेजेंट नर्सिंग ज्ञान। और आज के इस वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं 20 इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs अबाउट ह्यूमन एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम, देयर आंसर एंड एक्सप्लेनेशन। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, which gland is known as the master gland of endocrine system? Options are thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pituitary gland and pancreas. And the correct answer is option C, pituitary gland. The pituitary gland controls other endocrine glands, so it is also called as master gland. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 2, which hormone regulates the blood sugar level? Options are insulin, thyroxine, adrenaline and growth hormone. And the correct answer is option A, insulin. Insulin secreted by pancreas, it lowers the blood glucose level. So the correct answer is option A, insulin regulates the blood sugar level. Moving towards the question number 3, which gland secretes melatonin? Options are pituitary, thyroid, pineal and thymus. And the correct answer is option C, pineal. The pineal gland secretes the melatonin hormone, which regulates the sleep and wake cycle. So the correct answer is option C, pineal gland secretes the melatonin hormone. Question number 4, what is the primary function of thyroid hormone thyroxine, means T4? Options are regulating blood pressure, controlling metabolic rate, stimulating muscle growth and producing RBCs. And the correct answer is option B, controlling metabolic rate. Thyroxine, that is T4, regulates the metabolism and energy production. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 5, the adrenal glands are located on top of which organs? Options are liver, kidney, pancreas and heart. And the correct answer is kidney. The adrenal glands sit atop of kidneys and secrete the cortisol and adrenaline. The yellow color glands are adrenaline gland. So the correct answer is option B, over kidney. Question number 6, which hormone is released during stress and is known as stress hormone? Options are insulin, cortisol, oxytocin and estrogen. And the correct answer is option B, cortisol. Cortisol helps the body to manage stress and regulate the metabolism. So it is also called as stress hormone. So the correct answer is option B, cortisol. Question number 7, which hormone is responsible for fight or flight response? Options are insulin, thyroxine, adrenaline and estrogen. And the correct answer is option C, adrenaline. Adrenaline is also known as epinephrine. It prepares the body for emergencies like fight or flight response. So the correct answer is option C, adrenaline. Question number 8, which gland produces both endocrine and exocrine secretion? Options are adrenal gland, thyroid, pancreas and pituitary. And the correct answer is option C, pancreas. Pancreas has both endocrine, that is insulin and glucagon, and exocrine, that is digestive enzyme function. So it is both endocrine and exocrine secretion. Question number 9, which hormone is essential for calcium homeostasis? Options are thyroxine, parathyroid hormone, insulin and melatonin. And the correct answer is option B, parathyroid hormone, PTH. It's secreted by parathyroid gland and regulates the calcium level in the blood. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 10, the hormone oxytocin is mainly involved in. Options are growth and metabolism, stress response, uterine contraction and lactation and digestion. And the correct answer is option C, uterine contraction and lactation. Oxytocin stimulate the childbirth contraction and milk ejection in lactating mothers. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 11. Which hormone regulates water balance in body? Options are oxytocin, antidiuretic hormone ADH, insulin and cortisol. And the correct answer is option B, antidiuretic hormone. ADH, it reduces the water loss by increasing the kidney's absorption. So the correct answer is option B, ADH, it regulates the water balance in body. Question number 12. What is the primary male sex hormone? Options are estrogen, progesterone, testosterone and prolactin. And the correct answer is option C, testosterone. It is responsible for male reproductive development, so it is also known as male sex hormone. So the correct answer is option C, testosterone. Question number 13. The hormone responsible for lowering blood calcium level is. Options are thyroxine, calcitonin, aldosterone and glucagon. And the correct answer is option B, calcitonin. Calcitonin produced by thyroid gland and it lowers the blood calcium level. So the correct answer is option B, calcitonin. Question number 14. Which endocrine gland is associated with immune system regulation? Options are pituitary, thyroid, thymus and pancreas. And the correct answer is option C, thymus. The thymus produces thymosin which aids in immune response. So the correct answer is option C, thymus. Moving towards the next question, number 15. Which hormone is primarily responsible for female reproductive development? Options are testosterone, progesterone, estrogen and cortisol. And the correct answer is option C, estrogen. Estrogen regulates the menstrual cycle and female characteristics. So it is also called as responsible for female reproductive development. So the correct answer is option C, estrogen. Question number 16. A deficiency of insulin leads to which disease? Options are hyperthyroidism, Addison's disease, diabetes mellitus and Cushing's syndrome. Correct answer is option C, diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus occurs due to the low insulin causing the high blood sugar. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 17. Which hormone regulates the sleep-wake cycle? Options are melatonin, adrenaline, cortisol and oxytocin. And the correct answer is option A, melatonin. Melatonin produced by pineal gland and regulates the circadian rhythms. So it regulates the sleep and wake cycle. So the correct answer is option A, melatonin. Question number 18. The function of aldosterone is to. Options are regulate metabolism, control salt and water balance, stimulate muscle growth and increase the heart rate. And the correct answer is option B, to control salt and water balance, as aldosterone maintains the blood pressure by regulating the sodium and water balance. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 19. What hormone is responsible for milk production in mothers? Options are oxytocin, prolactin, estrogen and cortisol. And the correct answer is option B, prolactin. Prolactin secreted by the pituitary gland and stimulates the milk production in lactating mothers. So the correct answer is option B, prolactin is responsible for milk production. The last question. Which hormone helps the body respond to low blood sugar level? Options are insulin, glucagon, cortisol and thyroxine. And the correct answer is option B, glucagon. Glucagon increases the blood sugar by breaking down stored glycogen in the liver. So the correct answer is glucagon. It helps the body to respond in low blood sugar level. And thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, share this video and subscribe to our channel Mr. Vaibhav Bhosle Present Nursing App.